The hidden power of my raised bed. Strawberries, walking onions, and purple hub peas. Peace to the remnant. This is Lord Augustus. Today I want to show you something simple, something practical, and something deeply spiritual. I built a raised bed using nothing but what I had on hand. The outer frame made from 1 gallon Arizona tea containers. The bed filled with wood chips from fallen limbs I ran through a chipper. And inside that bed, I planted Quinault, strawberries, and Egyptian walking onions. Around the outside, in the cut containers, I planted purple hub peas from seed I saved last season. And I want to show you the agricultural wisdom, the health benefits, and the metaphysical meaning of each plant in this system. Because this is not just a garden, this is a teaching. Quinault strawberries, sweetness after struggle. Strawberries love fungal soil, and wood chips create that environment as they break down. But strawberries also carry a message. They grow low to the ground, teaching humility. They spread by runners, teaching multiplication without striving. They fruit early, teaching early provision. And for the body, strawberry cleanse the blood, fight inflammation, and strengthen the heart. This plant brings sweetness, restoration, and fruitfulness to the system. Egyptian walking onions, movement, wisdom, and continuity. Walking onions are one of the most symbolic plants you can grow. They walk across the land by planting themselves. They move when the land tells them to move. They return every year. They multiply without human effort. This is the picture of the remnant, moving with wisdom, enduring through seasons, and establishing generational continuity. For the body, walking onions strengthen immunity, clear the respiratory system, and fight infection. This plant brings movement, endurance, and wisdom to the system. Purple hub peas, restoration and humility. I planted the peas in the cut containers around the perimeter because peas are not companions to strawberries. Peas fix nitrogen, and strawberries do not want nitrogen in their root zone. So I placed the peas outside the bed where they can restore the soil without disturbing the fruit. This is the picture of humility, knowing your place, knowing your assignment, and restoring what you touch. Purple hub peas are an ancestral food, a survival food, a covenant food. For the body, they strengthen the gut, balance blood sugar, and provide protein and minerals. This plant brings restoration, nourishment, and balance to the system. The system as a whole, a living sermon. When you put these three plants together, you're not just gardening. You're building a covenant system. Strawberries bring sweetness and fruitfulness. Walking onions bring movement and generational wisdom. Purple hub peas bring restoration and nourishment. One blesses the body, one blesses the land, one blesses the lineage. This is how creation teaches. This is how the land speaks. This is how the remnant learns. You don't need acres. You don't need money. You don't need perfect conditions. You need wisdom. You need intention. You need alignment. And when you honor creation, creation responds. Peace to the remnant. Strength to the remnant. And may your hands be blessed in all you plant. This is Lord Augustus. Until the next time.